Today we are going to find the sum using the regrouping strategy. First we are going to use base 10 blocks, then we will use the regrouping strategy the traditional algorithm way. Let's start with the base 10 blocks. First we are going to add 36 plus 15. So we are going to add our 10s first. So if I have 3 groups of 10s, 10, 20, and 30, that gives me my 30 and 36. And then I also have my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then I need to add my 15 to that. So I have another group of 10, so that makes 40. And then I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, I now have 11 ones, which means that I could switch a group of 10 for these 11 ones. So I can exchange them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I can exchange those 10 ones for one group of 10 to be more efficient. Then I have one group of 10, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, with one extra one left over, so to make a total of 51. That was our first strategy using the base 10 blocks. Now we are going to use that exact same problem to do 36 plus 15, except using the regrouping strategy the algorithm way. So I start with my ones place, and I have 6 plus 1. I know that's, 6 plus 5, which I know equals 11. However, I cannot have 2 digits in the ones place. So I need to leave the 1 that's here, and I need to move this group of 10 or regroup it. So I am going to move this group of 10 into the 10's place. I just regrouped. So now I have one group of 10 plus 3 groups of 10 plus one more group of 10, which gives me a total of 5 groups of 10, and I get 51 again.